Congress party here in particular. The dismal performance that was put up by the party, and after the historic defeat that it had to witness in Bihar, the dissent has now erupted from within. Senior Congress party leader Tariq Anwar has now openly questioned the state leadership. He's called the loss as humiliating and has demanded a full review. Tariq Anwar says that those responsible for the setback should step down, intensifying pressure on the party's top high command. Now, this has been as far as when it comes to reactions that have been coming in on part of the Congress party. Well, they have been saying that this entire exercise, this election process was not fair, was not transparent from the beginning. And in the meantime, far from accepting defeat, or even when it comes to any kind of manthan or introspection within the party, Congress party is readying itself for this campaign, this protest against SIR. We're looking at as far as when it comes to the Dharna Pradarshan that the Congress party is expected to do in the first week of December at the Ram Leela Maidan. But what about the questions by those who are part of the party themselves who are raising this? Akansha, this has been a concern. Their own party leaders raising questions. We have Nyamika also connected with us. But first, let's get us exactly what Tariq Anwar is saying.
Congress MP Tariq Anwar has questioned his own party, and this is what he has posted on social media. After the shameful defeat in the election, the state Congress leadership should have immediately convened a review meeting. At the same time, those individuals who played a direct or indirect role in this defeat should have taken a moral responsibility and resigned from the position on their own. Why, after all, was there a need to stage a dharma? So a Congress MP there saying that indirect or direct role who played in the entire election, they should have taken the responsibility and they should have tendered their resignation after the massive drubbing of the Congress party in the Bihar elections.
All right. Well, let's connect with Nyamika on this. Nyamika, right from the start, as far as when it comes to the state Prabhari is concerned, Tariq Anwar was questioning as far as when it comes to the leadership appointed by the Congress party who will be overseeing the Bihar election process. Not very happy with that development, raising the questions as to why and how such a dismal performance was put up by the Congress party.
Well, yes, indeed, Amita. We have seen that from the very beginning, Tariq Anwar has been making this allegation that there is a communication gap within the state leadership and the party workers, and that can clearly be seen the manner in which this protest had erupted in the state of Bihar itself. As for that reason, Tariq Anwar has once again voiced his concern by stating that those who are basically responsible for the debacle of the Congress party in the assembly elections, they should also take all the responsibility and they should also resign on their own. But on the other side, it is the Congress party's top leadership and the party high command who had put all the blame upon the Election Commission of India, stating that it is because of the SIR and the vote chori that the Congress party and its allies are not being able to perform really well on the ground. But on the other side, its own leaders are now raising questions upon the ticket distribution, upon the seat sharing formula, and also the role which is being played by the state leadership. The same question which is repeatedly being asked by many of the state Congress leaders is that when will the accountability is going to be fixed, whether any action is going to be taken against the PCC president or the state in charge who were being directly involved in all of this process of ticket distribution, seat sharing formula with the allies. But there is no such question which is being asked by the party high command to these leaders, and that is the only reason why yesterday also there was another protest which had taken place at the Sadakat Ashram, as it had come after a notice was being served to 43 former ministers as well as MLAs who had at that point in time also raised certain questions to the state leadership. Now they had to explain themselves that why such kind of
So will it amount to any disciplinary action, or will the Congress party continue to remain in denial? Well, let's connect with Mr. C.R. Keswan as well. Mr. C.R. Keswan, of course, the points that have been raised by you, but we're going to put out exactly when it comes to the reactions that have been coming in, because this is clearly Congress versus Congress that is happening, apart from, any introspection